Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? We have a 2012 Jeep Liberty. Customer states I have a coolant leak and they think it's the heater core. And perform multi-point. Well, say no more, fam. We got you. So we're looking around and we don't see any coolant leaks in the engine bay. Brake fluid looking a little dark, a little sickly. We have the cooling system under pressure and we're losing coolant. We're losing pressure. So we go to the interior. First we looked under the car and we saw this guy right here dripping. Now that's not at the firewall, that's well before or well after the firewall, nowhere near the engine bay. So we go into the interior. Let's get our light on. Pull the carpet back up. I want to pull this panel and pull this carpet here. And we got coolant running down from the HVAC. So what that tells me, and the fact that the carpet is all wet, giggity, we got a Googat's heater core. Wonderful. So now that we saw that Googat's heater core, or the telltales of it, let's take it up top. So now that we took it up top, we could see, oh, they like to go to the beach. Right down by the beach. Mahi. Oh, it looks like they got the car undercoated too. It's a 2012 with over 90,000 miles, guys. And it's been undercoated, probably since new. Looks like they could use a reapplication as some rust is coming through, but it's in impeccable condition. They even did a part of the engine block. So let's go a little further back. Well, we find more sand. Well, we find more sand. But we also find more undercoating. 10-year-old car, ladies and gentlemen. It is looking great. You got a little rust coming through, but you know what? That's why I said they could use a reapplication, and I just hit my freaking head on that. Alright, the exhaust, oh, we got a little... starting to come apart a little bit, but you know what? It passes... well, it almost passed the flashlight test. Hardware is getting a little crusty. Just a little. That shaft looks good. Giggity. Rear end is looking good. Double giggity. Excuse me. Spare tire. Looks like they didn't undercoat that. They should have. Trailer hitch is looking good. Everything's looking pretty good. I think I might just recommend a reapplication of undercoating. Freaking Downs. Yeah, you know, they could use a real little touching up. Other than that, they need a heater core. Brakes are looking good. Brakes are looking alright. Minimal flavor. Suspension's looking alright. Minimal flavor. More sand. Very good. Well, there's no skid shield. You think there would be one right here? You know, I might recommend that to the customer too. See if they have any aftermarket options for a belly pan for them, because you don't want all this Googat's up in there. All right, guys, very good. If you don't know what to do, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.